building a model town because these two architects called Ross and Harry have came in and they are teaching us about architecture.
It got a bunch of buildings and loads of houses and a bunch of trees as well. I've been doing a traditional school. I also like the town and how people design the stuff. It's really different. Like it's different to what we usually do.
3 weeks we've been designing landmarks and houses and putting them all together.
Cool, like strange buildings that you wouldn't expect to be there, but also at the same time you would expect to be there because they kind of also fit in with how we made our town.
Best thing was making the school and working with our groups. It's fun. It's about thinking of ideas.
I like building the stadium, it's fun. So we've got lots of doors around the outsides.
You can like make something on paper and then with cards and cardboard and scissors and glue you can make it like an actual object.